Matapos kumalat ang balitang ito na di umano ay ang pagtanggi ni Karen Davila sa mga diskaya para ma-interview sa vlog nito. Diskaya duo tried to buy vlog feature. Karen Davila said no. Ito po daw ang ibinahagi ng source. A source told a Sortage that the camp of Pacifico, Curly Diskaya and Sara Diskaya once attempted to pay Karen Davila in exchange for a vlog feature on her YouTube channel. Davila, according to the source, flatly refused the proposal, calling it unethical to take money from would-be political candidates. The incident resurfaced as the Diskayas pushed their featured stories, raising questions about how far candidates go to court media attention. Hindi na kailaang naging run kamakailan lamang ni Mayor Vico Sotto na ngayon nga ay tinutuligsa ng mga makakurina at maka-Julius Babaw. Ganun pa man, marami ang dumidepensa kay Mayor Vico at sinabi nila na hindi magsasalita ang mayor kung wala itong kaukulang pruweba o basihan. Matapos ang nasabing controversial na ito ay hindi na nga makikita ang interview ni Corina Sanchez kay Mrs. Diskaya. Habang ang kay Julius Babaw naman ay naka-off ang comment section pero mapapanood pa rin ito. Ibahagi nga natin at ano ang masisay dito ng mga netizen at ng ilang mga artikulo. Mula kay Beverly Garcia, Truth-telling with stewardship. Interesting take from Prof. Danilo Arao, UP Diliman on the Corina Sanchez and Julius Babaw Diskaya couple interview. Whether you're a student in media, academy, or just curious about what makes journalists ethical, this is worth a listen. At the end of the day, a journalist is still a journalist, no matter the platform. Vico claims Diskaya paid for feature. Corina Julius respond mula sa ANC Digital. Mula naman sa netizen na si Alex Alan, aniya, Corina Sanchez and favored DPWH contractor Sara Diskaya would seem to be BFFs. She interviewed the Rolls-Royce rolling multimillionaire in November 2024 and in January 2025. Now, she's threatening to charge Pasig Mayor Vico Sotto for cyber libel for insinuating she was paid millions for the interviews. Corina is a television celebrity, but she is also a journalist, and that's the reason she is being soundly and roundly criticized on social media. The common thread of comments which have become viral is, ang babaw ang kaligayahan mo, Corina. Mula naman sa GMA Public Affairs, mga programang Rated Corina at Corina Interviews naglabas ng opisyal na pahayag kaugnay ng komento ni Vico Sotto. Mariing itinanggi ng mga programang Rated Corina at Corina Interviews na mayroong 10 million pesos placement fee kapalit ng pag-interview ng kanilang host na si Corina Sanchez kina Sara at Curly Diskaya. Kasunod ito ng komento ni Pasig City Mayor Vico Sotto sa muling pagkalat online ng interviews ni Sara Diskaya sa mga programa ng mga kilalang mamamahayag. Ayon sa official statement ng mga programa, there is no such thing as a 10 million peso placement for an interview. This is simply not true. Malicious insinuations posted on Facebook and which publicly besmirches the reputations of our shows on Ms. Sanchez clearly constitute cyber libel. Mula naman sa DWIZ 882, kampo ni Corina Sanchez dumepensa kaugnay sa interview ng mga Diskaya. Ipinaliwanag ng executive producer ng Rated Corina at Corina Interviews na kung may bahagi ng pahayag ang walang katotohanan, nasa Diskayas na ang responsibilidad para patunayan. Ito'y kaugnay na lumabas na interview na nasabing programa kung saan sina Sara at Curly Diskaya ang kanilang kinakapanayam. Kinlalo rin ang kampo ni Corina na walang kahit anong 10 milyong pisong placement sa isinagawang interview. Samantala, viral kamakailan lamang ang naging post ni Corina Sanchez at ayon sa kanya, may 10 million pesos palace. Joke, the happiest place on earth, they say, is Disneyland. Actually, the happiest place is peace of mind. In the midst of ignorant hate comes bliss, calm knowing that good is in control if you allow it. First day in Hong Kong among Pinoys who save up enough for a family trip, work and breaking bread, with supporters who continue to believe despite the noise. Carlo Magdaluyo and TV5 and the Rated Corina team, thanks. Anyway, hiling ng mga netizen na Maklaro o magsalita nga si Karen Davila kung may katotohanan ba ang kumakalat na balita na isa siya sa inalok ng mga diskaya para i-feature sa kanyang vlog na tumanggi ang nasabi nga pong news anchor na si Karen Davila. Dahil kung sakaling may katotohanan ito, ibig sabihin na totoo ang sinasabi ni Mayor Vico Sotto na nag-aalok talaga sila para ma-interview. Ganun pa man, sa nga ng mga netizen, hindi magsasalita ang mayor kung wala itong basihan. Ano ang masasay nyo about dito? Ilagay na ang iyong opinion sa ating comment section. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching. Showbiz Now.